Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch DVD player special for BMW. One series E81, E82, E87, E88, 24 to 12 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. And it comes with a dash kit. This dash kit will come with head unit, also this. So it fits without problem with AC connection. Okay, it comes with GPS antenna and install USB microphone audio cable. Okay, there back of 4 USB port, okay, 2 SD card slot, this home button, this volume, and this knob, this Navi back. Okay, you can choose time, you can choose logo, you can change the logo, BMW. When you back to home, it change the logo, and let me check the settings. Okay. Also, you can change the theme color. Okay. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of undercar head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, back to home. This DVD slot and the Egypt button. Oh, it's here. Let me check settings and PS5 Android system. Okay. And car settings. This base setting. Storage you can check, total 64 GB. Okay. This DSP amplifier and built in the this is our website, you can check belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. And built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store app. Okay. First, let me introduce the Bluetooth. You can long press choose the app. This password 40. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. This Bluetooth. Click search button. Click pair button. connection. Your phone will get message, please put 40. Okay, change the color and show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. This is the link app for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, already built in the wireless and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto modem in the head unit. Okay. You can play music. You can search. And this DSP amplifier. Okay. And you can play video from USB. So you need to set it in the settings. Please off this play video when driving. Please off. Okay. And play video game. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, thank you.